There is major drive towards automation and simplified QC testing in pharma and med device manufacturing, and endotoxin testing is in need of transformation. Analysts across the world are embracing automation and reaping the benefits. Hi, my name is Hayden Skowski. I am the Global Application Specialist here at Sievers Analytical Instruments. In this short video, I'm going to share with you 7 reasons why analysts love automating their endotoxin testing. So with centripetal microfluidic automation using the Sievers Eclipse, fully compliant endotoxin assays are set up as in little as 9 minutes in less than 30 pipetting steps. You can run up to 21 samples on the microplate and also do a 5-point standard curve. This automation is accomplished in a small benchtop platform. Now, the Sievers Eclipse is super easy to use, and it is fully compliant with all the compendia, such as USP 85, EP, and JP. On the microplate, your positive product controls are prepared for you for every sample in duplicate. Your standard curve is run in triplicate, and your negative controls are also on the plate, and those are all automated as well. You have a significant reduced opportunity for contamination and errors, as the Sievers microplate is an enclosed system, and you do not come in contact with any reference standard endotoxin that is on the plate. Every plate runs off of 1 milliliter of LEL reagent for 21 samples. So you have huge reduction in LEL usage. So you can run 63 samples with just 1 vial of LEL reagent. Using the microplate, you have increased and improved operational efficiency. You can run multiple plates in a few hours very easily. It comes with 21 CFR Part 11 and Alcoa Plus compliant software, and you can get up running very quickly with simplified training and easy validation. The Sievers Eclipse software is 21 CFR Part 11 and Alcoa Plus compliant that is super easy to navigate and is fully customizable with permissions and assay templates. Analyst users and supervisors can be granted certain permissions, can be open or as restrictive as they want to be in the software. Every test has an assay-specific audit trail that captures who ran the test, when it was ran, when it was completed, and it also comes with electronic signatures that can be signed off. It has Alcoa Plus principles that meet regulatory requirements and data integrity standards. The software can also come with a client server feature where people or supervisors can sign off on assays remotely using this feature and not have to physically be in the lab. So the answer there is very quickly. That's due to simplified training and very easy validation. The IOPQ, or Installation, Operational, and Performance Qualification, has clear documentation that enables the system to be validated in just a few days. Certified IOPQ validation by Sievers will ensure a smooth process and that the Sievers Eclipse is running smoothly and as it should. Also, training analysts is super easy since everything is so automated and everything is already on the microplate for you. So you can train an analyst in just a few hours or train a whole lab in just a few days. It's that easy. If you want to join the analysts who are already enjoying the benefits of the Sievers Eclipse, download our buyer's guide today to get started.